Okay, so these shock drop. Kendrick came out with some Nike elements. Kanye tried to convince us we all was aliens, and he came out with a new colorway / design. But you know what topped off the week? You guessed it. The flick. Travis Scott. Air Force Ones. Travis Scott's killing them with Nike, man. We're going to get into this review. Sneaker notes. Let's get it.
Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.
What up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thank you for checking in. If you're new to the channel, you already know every shoes tuber, every YouTuber says it. Go down there, hit that subscribe button for your boy, and then hit that notification bell so whenever I upload something like this, you'll be one of the first to check it out. Today's video is a review of the latest Travis Scott collab with Nike, the Air Force Ones. Kind of crazy looking. A lot to get into, so we're going to get into that review ASAP. But before we do that, you already know we do have Sneaker Notes. This the What's on Foot segment. So this is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below, takes 5 seconds, and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. I don't care if it's next month, I don't care if it's next year, I don't care if it's tomorrow. Hopefully it's tonight, but just let me know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. Today, I'm all read out. Today I got on the Jordan 3 Katrinas. And if you ask me, this sneaker was like so hyped up, and when it came out, still was a little hype, but now I think we all forget about them. We don't talk about the Jordan 3 Katrinas at all, and I think the reason is because it has that Nike, that Jordan Air on the back instead of that Nike Air on the back. But overall, very dope sneaker, fits, comfortable, just like a Jordan 3. In my opinion, the black cements is definitely number one. But on foot today, I got on the Jordan 3 Katrinas. In the comment section below, let your boy know what you rocking on foot. Hit the music, man. Let's get into the review. Unboxing time. Boom. Now, if you're new to the channel, you're going to learn real quick. Go through some archives, go through some videos. If you've been rocking with me, you know I'm a big fan of the box, even though I don't keep my sneakers in the box. But I'm a good fan of presentation. I love presentation. And Nike and Travis Scott did not disappoint with this box. It's like a banana yellow box, super dope blue yellow Nike swoosh logo. You've never seen a box this color. Similar, you might have the Fed Guards with that mango orange. That's super dope. But this banana looking yellow box is dope, and that blue matches it perfect. On one side, you got the Cactus Jack Travis Scott face right there. Right here, it looks to say Cactus Jack in the cactus font. If y'all can make that out. To me, it looks like it says Cactus Jack. I don't know. On your regular side right here, that's where you got your pull tab, your lock, everything else right there. And on this right here, which I think is super dope, got a little window right here. And inside that window it says Cactus Jack Records in Russian. That's a Russian font. Cactus Jack Records. Nice window. Got like a clear protector right there, protecting that. Yeah, so you got your Travis Scott face, Cactus Jack, regular size, Nike swoosh, and then Cactus Jack record in the window right there. I'm not a big fan of the boxes that pull open like this, but most of the Nike premium sneakers got the pull open. Whenever Air Max do a collab, Air Max 98, whatever, Fed Guards, Jordan 11s. You pull it open. Premium tissue paper right here. Also reads the same thing in that window. Cactus Jack Records all around. And then under that premium paper, you have your white tissue paper right there. If anybody's wondering, I got these straight from Nike. I'm not gonna lie, 2019, it's been alright with the Nike sneaker app. There was one point in my life where I thought you can't win on Nike sneakers app at all. It's definitely luck. There's no trick way on how to do it. I used to think if I did it from my desktop instead of my phone, I would win. That didn't work. So guys, it's just luck. I'm not gonna lie, it's just luck. And let's start with the right shoe, since that seems to have the accessories on it. Boom. Let's get a 360 view of it before I even tell you actually how I feel about this sneaker. It's a 360 view of the left shoe. Now I want to start here at the toe box. That seems to be like a navy blue, dark black in the toe box. I think it's navy blue. Around it is what's dope though. You have a couple of different fabrics. Right here you have your brushed nubuck, soft nubuck. And then when you come around the left, it switches to a corduroy velour situation. And it may be the same color, but the fabric makes it look a different color. So to me, it's like a navy blue, dark purple right here. Then you come to the back around to your nubuck, and then you come to your right side of your shoe, and you got the navy blue and like a jacket jean material right here. So you got jacket jean material, suede nubuck, and corduroy. He's giving you 3 fabrics on the toes already. Right here, you got more of that jean material there, and a nice purple, like a velvet purple, and it tends to read the same Cactus Jack Records in that Russian font, and that goes all the way into like your mustard yellow orange here, honey mustard orange, same Cactus Jack font there in the Russian, and then right here also what you saw in the box, the Cactus Jack and the cactus font. Your swoosh is a brown, also same jean material right there, as you can hear that jean material, brown swoosh. Come around, you have an emblem here, gold button with the initials TX, and you know he's from Texas, Houston, Texas, so that's what the TX stands for there. Come around, you got your Nike swoosh here and that Nike Air logo, and like a I want to say like the Social Status 6, it was just no pony hair here. It's like a wall look right here, wall feel. Come around, the same colors repeat from the front with the yellow, the off blue, green, and the difference with this swoosh, it actually almost comes into like a camouflage look, as you can see. Again, corduroy. Back to your corduroy fabric right there. It comes with 2 shoestrings, well 3 if you include the ones that they come attached with. Got your off-white, cream white here, and the regular black lace right there, and your oversized Nike bags. So make sure y'all see the size of this bag, man. I don't want you out there getting got. Before we get into the tongue and all that, I just want to get to the bottom. He kept it original with the uptown look. Got the air there. Original. Gum bottom. Gum bottom there. And let's get into this tongue now. Now as you can see on the tongue, you have two materials just like the toe box. You got your corduroy velvet here, and then over here you got like your jean mesh. And these come connected with a gold zipper. So we're going to take that zipper off, open it up, has a tissue paper inside. Then these are where your shoestrings is. The shoestrings is like a brown to maybe purple. These colors are like odd and they hard to like really identify. Your tongue, it's a nice cool gray wool, Nike Air logo at the top. Let's look at the shoe tree. Regular Nike shoe tree. Nothing crazy. No Cactus Jack on it. Even though right here look like it could be a Cactus Jack face. That's for y'all to decide. Let me know in that description down below. Inside, you got Nike reads Nike Air. Your size is there. And it also has the same pattern as the sneaker in the inside, as y'all can see. So very, very detailed, man. Very detailed. Inside the tongue has the same words as if your Jordan 1 would have, let's say. And I really trying to get y'all to see inside, trying to get the lighting. It has like a Burberry print, flannel print in the inside of the sneaker. Now, I was told that being that the tongue has the two different designs, you can actually take these off and mix match them with the other shoe. Let's grab the other shoe. So right here is your right shoe. I just did a review on, paired up with your left shoe. Now, like I was saying earlier in the video, you can unzip this and you can mix match them. You can make them the same, or you can mix match them. Black and black, blue and blue, blue and black, or you can keep them how they are. Now the difference with the left shoe is right here. On the right shoe where you saw the initials TX, right here you have MC. I will have to look that up to see what that mean. I mean, if you're a big Travis Scott fan and you know what these mean, just let me know. But I'm definitely going to look up what the MC mean here. My highlight of the sneaker is definitely that Camel Swoosh. I wish they put that Camel Swoosh on this side. Only because I'm not a big fan of brown. Not knocking the shoe. The shoe is dope, but I just wish the camo look was on the outside of the shoe. Now I'm a big Travis Scott fan. That's why I brought these. Not a big fan of Uptowns. I think I only had like maybe one Uptown in my life, and that was the Rockefeller joints. That's crazy. That's music too. But I'm not a big fan of Uptowns, but I definitely like the spin Travis Scott put on these. Super dope. I didn't show y'all. I don't know if want the light to pick it up. The stitching is like an aqua glow. Like the stitching may glow. As y'all can see, that stitching is like an aqua green. Looks like it making glow. We'll have to put that to the test. The detailing on this sneaker is like super dope, man. And Travis Scott is definitely putting his spin on Nike. Like I told y'all earlier in the video, Kendrick Lamar came out with the Nike Elements. I'm not a fan of the Nike Elements at all. And I feel like Kendrick didn't do much of a design for that sneaker to make me want to go get it. If it had some Kendrick, more Kendrick in it, more California in it, I probably would have went for it. As for these Travis Scott Air Force Ones was designed based on his upbringing in Texas. So that's why you see everything he has here is Texas. The initials TX, Texas. So he made this straight about his childhood. And that's what I really like most about these sneakers. Real quick, I told you these shock dropped. And this is actually my old pair, guys. I still ain't get this pair dirty, but when they shock drop, shout out to the Sneak Disc Podcast. Those are my guys, man. He hit me in my DM early on Instagram and said, yo, look out. West Coast time around 1 p.m. The Jordan 11s is going to shock drop. And I was able to get them. I'm still waiting for them to come from Nike. I didn't do 2-day shipping or nothing because I still got these fresh. And I don't get to wear Jordan 11s a lot. I still got the Jeeters over there, the Concords, the Win Like 82s, the Win Like 96, the Black Cats. So many of them, man. I still ain't get a chance to put on yet. So these shock drop, man. If you was lucky enough to get them, give me a thumbs up down there. If you didn't, don't worry. I'm sure Jordan Brand is going to drop a whole bunch for the season. They don't want that Concord massacre again. That's why last year they made 1 million pairs. So you definitely be able to get these, man. Again, this is a review on your Travis Scott Air Force Ones. Retail $160. I think I paid $179. But resale right now, StockX got them for a little under $600. I didn't check GOAT. Are they worth the $600? If you love Travis Scott, if you love Air Force Ones, then yeah. If you want a dope sneaker, then yeah. But should an Air Force One ever be over $300? In my opinion, no. Y'all know I'm always going to keep it real with y'all, man. If I didn't get them for retail, I wouldn't pay the $600. But again, that's me, man. Here we go. Travis Scott Air Force Ones on foot today. Jordan 3 Katrinas. I don't know why this sneaker was still under the radar. Super dope. Dope cause. Shout out to New Orleans, man. In that comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot. Everybody, get rich. Sicko mode.
Chiller, can't let the secret hate penetrate. It's usually your old friend, lonely and afraid. I'm sorry, I don't like your posts more. I'm too busy cruising the West Coast shores. I hear the whispers. It's gonna be a cold winter. I can't help it, I'm a sinner. You know the vibe. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.